Have you heard about tech diversity? Well, you see, the tech diversity is a platform where we train university students and also individuals who are really interested in learning these technology skills. Well, how do we get here? We know about the problem in Nigeria and in Africa as a whole. In fact, according to Statista.com, we have about 32.5% of Nigerians out of job. If you are to calculate that in 200 million people, there's about 64 million people that are out of job currently. But the thing is, it doesn't just stop there. We have about 500,000 graduates competing for the unavailable job every year. How do we fix these issues immediately? In fact, with a matter of urgency, tech diversity is actually playing a huge role. The most interesting part of this program is the fact that students no longer need to graduate before they become employed. Which means while they are still pursuing their 400 level or 500 level degree, they can get employment and work remotely. That's really, really interesting. Because at InstinctHub, we believe that with technology skills, everybody have the right to pursue their purpose. So we welcome you on board in joining us to achieve this success.